Monday, March 9th, and young Aidan's working underneath the front enclosure here, and he's even got a clean shirt on.
Yeah.
Once every 6 months, whether you need it or not, eh?
Well, once they wear out, you don't have any pocket in the front anymore.
Yeah.
Grinding.
Did you just burn the old one or what?
Well, no, I need that one for backup.
Oh, okay. What are you working on today?
Just trying to seal up the front a bit here.
Okay.
I cut out a panel that goes over top of this to block any cold air.
Oh.
And
Okay.
what my plan was is I cut a couple sides out of plywood too.
Yeah.
The little sit on that, and then I wanted to make a couple little patches of rubber that hang down here
Yeah.
so that it can move past the steering arms.
Okay. Well, there you go. Always inventing a new way to do things around here and get it done. And they took the day off yesterday.
The reason why we're putting that in there, you see that hole under the steering arm?
Okay.
Well, that puts so much cold air in that the heater won't keep up.
Oh, right. Yeah, makes sense. So these guys took the day off yesterday. They really worked hard for the last couple of weeks to get this going here. And I came out yesterday and tried to clean up myself here a little bit. I try to stay away from the engine, but they got all the tracks and tires back on, and so they're working on that. But we're a week into Trump's Epstein Fury Iran debacle right now, and we've price of a liter of fuel and has gone up by 25 cents, and diesel's through the roof. And so yeah, it's crazy. Took the week off and everything went to hell. But everything's done underneath here, and they've got to close everything up. Got to do a little bit of vacuuming down here. But when I was out here at the shop yesterday, I swept up the floor 4 times, and I even changed out the filter. And in one day, that was white yesterday. And so that's how dirty it can get into the shop. So try to keep this place clean, as tidy for these guys as possible, but it's
He's strong on tidy and clean.
yeah.
You have to worry about that.
But it doesn't take long for these guys to make a mess, but try to clean it up as best I can for that. Now, they've got a few little tasks they want to tackle here before they put in the engine, but they got a little bit of work. I think they're waiting on some parts on this engine yet, and I don't know if the distributor's in or the alternator, or I think they got a carb, but I don't know how good it is. And then they'll crane it back in to place here, put it back in. I think Aidan still wants to varsol this out again one more time before they do anything. And then it's just a matter of connecting all the wires. And I don't know how to do the electrical guys at all, so that's a them thing. But they'll start reconnecting all the hoses and whatever else, making sure that's good to go. So I don't know the whole status here. I could imagine there's at least another week of work. And then if we get this out of here, they're going to put on that auger rig again, but it is warming up outside. It's the first day of daylight savings today, so they're gonna, once spring is sprung, they're gonna clean everything up here, and both tables and the whole shop. And like, they still got to put that seat back in, they still got to build a new floor. Dad's cutting angle iron for something here, but there's a lot of work that still needs to be done. And so they're going to continue working on here. If we don't have, like, today's March 9th, and I honest to God don't know when you're going to see this video. And I've been telling guys all winter, be the next guy in line. Otherwise, I'm going to get Dad to start working on this Muskeg tractor again, get it done, because I want it out of the shop. I want to sell it. We've got everything for it, but I don't know if they've got a new engine for it. This 318 didn't fit in there, so we're going to sell that to whichever customer wants it. But I really do want to get that Bombardier Muskeg tractor completed and out of the shop because it's taken up space. It took up space here for 3, 4, 5 years, and it just became a dust collector, and I don't want it collecting dust again. But the little dog is just having the time of her life at the shop, just loves it here. And the other dogs are outside. Charlie's in his doghouse, and Emily was playing with Schooner earlier because Peter was over. And yeah, other than that, guys, it's just another day at the shop, and we're gonna let these. What happened with Puck?
Winter Road is supposed to be open in another week.
Another week.
Yeah.
Nothing like having the winter road open at the end of winter. So we're gonna let these guys continue what they're doing here today, and then we'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Oh, and Schooner Shop Dog is happy to be at the shop. Just loves Emily. Emily loves Schooner. Hey, go check on old Charles because he's barking. Too much activity. Hello, Charles. How are you?